Great to all. Our topic is mistake proofing in industries. Nowadays, industries have got a huge problem with the safety aspects. So that our topic discuss about how do we conduct the mistake proofing with the industrial concepts. Myself, Dr. B. Siveshkumar, Department of Mechanical Engineering. How can we prevent avoidable mistakes from occurring, which can be solved by Popoyoke from Japanese concept, so that every industry follows the Popoyoke concept for avoiding the accidents and also improves the safety aspects in industries. Mistakes in industries generally carried out through manufacturing process. Manufacturing processes are like forging, belt drives, and the lathe machines. Likewise, they are getting actions like hand cutted and heating operation and injuries with the machineries. How can we avoid these kind of accidents from mistake proofing? Let's see. Manufacturing process mistakes is like spark emission from the manufacturing process. It hurts the skins of operator helpers. Okay, so that how can we reduce the spark production? We can't reduce the spark production from the machining process, but we can able to stop the sparks from the mechanisms and the machining operations and also manufacturing process. Now I show you a mechanism. The accidents may be happened with the mechanisms and also the spark, how the spark produced in machine shops. Likewise, we see here mechanism is available with the lathe itself. The belt rails are located with the prime movers. It may shielded with the operator from the operator. Okay, it may shielded from the operator. From that, we can avoid the belt touching with the operators. Here you see the belt drive is shielded with some mechanisms or some devices. From that, the operator can they get the safer side from machinery's accident. Okay. Likewise, we may produce the layout of safeguards on machineries for avoiding the accidents. And then the sparks. How the sparks are initiated? The sparks generally initiated by machining operations. Here the surface grinding operation. For example purpose, I show you the surface grinding operation. The surface grinding operation produces the spark. For avoiding the spark touching the operator hands and the body, we should provide some stoppers for avoiding the spark. So that the spark emission is the normal process, but we should avoid some provision for spark touching with the operator body and the hands, some stoppers, so that every machine manufactured with the stoppers of the spark and the chip. Likewise, the processors are introduced and the machines are introduced in machine shops. Not only longitudinal sparks, the machines are also produced circumferential spark. So the perpendicular direction we may introduce the spark arrest element. From this we can arrest the spark touching of operator hand. Likewise, we may produce the some stoppages for spark emission and spark attacking on helper or machine operator bodies. And then how can we avoid accidents in industries or machine shops or shop floor? Let's see. The mistake proofing can be achieved through automatic device or method implementation in machineries or shop floor. From this, we can achieve mistake proofing, and also we can create the atmosphere as like impossible for an error to occur with the automatic devices and the sensors actuators. Similarly, when the mistake proofing is needed, human error can cause mistakes or defects to occur. Humans are the only reason to occur the defects. So that how can we avoid the mistake proofing? When we avoid the mistakes means we may avoid the human interruption in all machines. From this we can achieve the mistake proofing. And also minor error early in the process causes major problems later in the process. The minor errors, the major error happens after the minor error initiation, so that we should identify the minor errors before occurring. From this we can achieve the major error stoppage. And then Ways for avoiding the error to occur. What are all the ways to avoid the error occurring? The three steps: elimination, replacement, facilitation. Here elimination means eliminating the step that causes the error. Replacement means replacing the step with an error proof one. And facilitation means making the error correct action far easier than error making operations. Likewise, we may consider the ways for avoiding the error to occur. Here, the functions are classified for avoid mistake proofing in two steps. One is setting functions, another one is regulatory functions. Setting function means physical method checks a physical characteristic using a sensor. By the way of sensor sensing the physical characteristics, we can save the machineries. For example, if you are consider the temperature increment of engine, we can monitor or change the oils with respect to engine performance and reduce reduction of wear in between machine components from the temperature sensor. Likewise, sequencing method checks the process sequence to make sure steps are done in order. Every process have carried out through the sequence of operation procedure. Based on that, we can avoid the unexpected errors with the improper followment of sequence of operation. And then regulatory function, if it happens the before you inform the machine shop with the aid of regulatory function, which means warning function with the aid of alarm and warning functions with the aid of lighting. Likewise, you may give the instructions to operator and helpers. From this we can uh, avoid the operator accidents, and also we can improve the safety situations, and also control functions with the machineries. For example, here the robot picking the pole function is carried out. It follows the tolerance optimization function, means it correctly place the shaft within the hole. Likewise, we may introduce the control functions for actuating the machine's element. From that, we can save the machineries and the operator also. Okay, from these activities, we can save the shop floor, and also we can save the operator and helper also. Thank you.